All right, hey y'all, I'm back. Same day, same outfit. Yeah, so this is Julia here from Amazon. This is a 360 lace wig, 16 inches. So basically the wig is 360 all the way around. I'm cutting off the back part of the lace. That's if you really want to put your hair up in buns and ponytails. So the pros about this wig that I first seen was that I pretty much didn't get nose shedding after I cut off the lace, which was very strange for me, but good. Also this wig, the hair was really good on the actual wig, very sturdy, the knots was very sturdy, really in there. I love that they came with the baby hairs already taken out, because all I had to do was just cut them and put some gel on it, and I have to pick them out myself and do all that extra work. So that was cool, and it didn't need much plucking in the front. I don't have tweezers, but I do self plucking. So yeah, the only thing I didn't like too much was the density of the wig. I feel like it could be a little bit more thicker, especially for a 360 lace wig when you want to do styles and ponytails and things like that. It will give you a natural look, but I would have wanted a little bit more hair on the wig. And another thing is the wig was quite snug for me. I do have my hair done under here, so maybe that's the reason why, but it was a little bit very tight. Basically it has combs in the back and adjustable straps. I didn't use the straps or the combs because the wig was actually tight enough on my head as it was. You kept seeing my cap there, but I ended up switching to the black cap that they provided for me. I didn't think that I was going to use it, but I did. But I would advise to use a nude cap. Probably do the bald cap method so that band will not be as noticeable. And yeah, that's about it. I don't have much to say about this. I didn't have no trouble with the hair. As you'll see later on, I did curl the hair. I didn't leave it straight. You can leave it straight. It'll get instantly straight with a flat iron real quick. Not too much work with this hair. I like the luster of the hair and everything. There's so much parting space for you to do a bunch of different hairstyles. And yeah, I don't think I'll need to tell you guys anything else about it. Oh, it's $119 on Amazon. So to me, that's very, very affordable. And another thing I did like too was it's 16 inches, but to me it seemed way longer than 16, maybe about 18. So you get more hair for the money that you pay. So that's good too as well. Always longer hair for your money. Right now in the video, I'm just basically laying down my hair just so it could be a little bit more flat. It seemed like a lot of volume was at the top of the wig. So yeah, just take a simple hot comb or a curling iron and press that down and you'll be good to go. So let me know in the comments down below any questions you have about this wig. I'm gonna leave all the links to the wig so you can go look at it on Amazon if you want to consider getting it, because it's hard to find a wig for $120 nowadays that's good quality. So I definitely recommend this for the moment. I don't really see any problems with the wig. So yeah, no extra flyaways. A lot of wigs that I had before had flyaways and things like that. This one, I didn't have to worry about that, so I was really happy about that. The lace was super easy to cut, and that's about it. I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of the video and see how I style the hair. Like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So this is how the wig came out. I'm about to try to lay the wig down a little bit more, but these are the curls that I got. You guys can do them a little more in depth if you want. I just wanted some loose waves. I did my little baby hair off camera. I know you can see my cap, but you can also just pull your wig up and you'll be good to go. But yeah, this is how the curls came out. So they look really good. This is a 16-inch wig. I feel like it's longer than 16. It might be like an 18. But yeah, that's all the hair to the front. As you can see, I got like the little swoop look going on. I could cut this in the front, but I don't really want to. I like that it comes with pre-cut baby hair for you already. I didn't really pluck too much. I did some pre-plucking in the front just to make the baby hairs look a little bit better. I'm gonna try to attempt to lay the wig down a little bit more flatter with my hot comb. I put some Cantu oil on here, so that should help with the laying process. Or if you have like a wax stick or something like that, that can also help you. But be careful. I burnt my neck. I think I showed you guys in the last clip with this hot comb. So just really be careful with this. And I sometimes like to have a little bit of like volume right here. Yeah, so for the most part my hair is done. You can also put some makeup in your part if you like. Yeah, just lay the wig as flat as you can. Like I said, be careful with this. I did put a little bit of oil at the top of my head, so if you see any smoke, that's what it really is from. That is from the oil from the Cantu. But yeah, so yeah, for the most part the hair is really lightweight. As you can see, the density could be a little bit more. I'm gonna put all the information, the price and everything down below if you're interested in buying this wig. Once again, this is Julia hair on Amazon. So yeah, this is what I came up with. Simple little body wave curls. So this wig can be curled, as you guys can see. I'm gonna actually stand. All right guys, so this is the final look right here. This is the curls that I did on the hair. I didn't really curl the ends too much, but yeah, it's giving me little Aaliyah vibes, you know. So yeah, this is the final review on this hair. This is how this looks. I didn't see the cap. It's okay. Wear a nude cap underneath if you can, but I kept seeing the line of demarcation. That's why I took it off. But yeah, for the most part, look at how this hair looks. Like, it might be a little bit on the thin side, but it will give you a natural look, and it's definitely soft. And after I cut the lace, I didn't get any like shedding or anything, so the hair is definitely constructed well. I like the feel of it. It's straight hair, but to me it feels a little bit like it has some texture to it. So that's the little baby hair I did right there. Don't mind my eyebrows. It's quarantine, can't get them done. So yeah, for the most part it's looking pretty cute. So if you're interested, the links are down below. The hair is a 16-inch Julia hair. Once again, yeah. So in that case, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.